Hello students, welcome to Math Beyond Marks channel by your Pragasam Sir. Here we understand concepts first and marks follow automatically. This is video number 10, the final video of chapter 1, a square and a cube. In this video, we will solve the figure it out questions and apply all the cube concepts and patterns we have learned so far. Shall we go to the exercise? Okay. Okay, students. What is 11 cube? Up to 10 cube, we have seen. What is that? The ending digits of 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube is 7. 4 cube is 4. 5 cube is... Okay, shall I write that one? 1 cube ends with 1. 2 cube ends with 8. 3 cube ends with 7. 4 cube ends with again 4 because 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 24. Okay. Then 5 cube ends with 125, that is 5. Then 6 cube ends with 6 itself. 7 cube ends with 3. 8 cube ends with 2. That is 5 and 2, 2. So 9 cube ends with last digit you calculate. 9 9s are 81. 1 into 9 again 9 only. Okay. 10 cube ends with 3 zeros, that is 0. Okay. Now you know 11 cube equal to, it is 121 into 11 square, 121 into 11, that is 1331. Okay. Then can you guess what is 17 cube? 17 cube, surely it is above this one and above 11 cube and below 20. We know 20 cube equal to 20 cube is how much? 8,000. So it is closer to 8,000, not so closer and all. We have to calculate only here. That will come 17, 17s are and again 7. But the answer is 4913. You calculate it and check because I don't want to multiply and show here. So it is 4913. Likewise, can you guess what the cube, for which number this will be the cube? 6, 4, 10, 6, 4, 8, 10,648. Can you guess it? Now only here I wrote 20 cube equal to 8,000. Then what about 21 cube will be? 21 as this ends with 1. Okay. Then 22 cube, surely it should be this only. Why? Because that ends with cube and also they said that it is a perfect cube. Very important, it is a perfect cube and as it is ends with 8 and closer to 8,000. And what about then 30,000? Sorry, 30 cube. What about 30 cube? 30 cube must be 9. No, not 9. 27 and 3 zeros. 27 and 3 zeros. 27,000. So it is going faster. It goes very fast. So that you have to understand. Okay. Now, so what is that? We can guess by seeing the last digit. Then are you going to leave by guessing alone? Means no, not at all. So you are going to multiply it and then check. Anyhow, it is coming closer means you can leave that one. So it is very easy for, suppose it is being given multiple choice questions and 10, 6, 4, 9, 10, 6, 4, 11, 10, 6, 40, like that given means then by seeing the ending digit and ending digit, you can tick that because the following are the perfect cubes. Which of the following are the perfect cube means then you can guess very easily. In the same manner, can you guess it for 1, 2, 1, 6, 7? Surely it is closer to this one. It is nothing but 23 23 cube. Okay, it should be 23 cube only. You multiply it and check. Then suppose if I increase 32,000, 768, if I increase, what will happen? It goes above 30, and also ending digit is again 8. Therefore, you can say that it is 32 cube. Are you able to understand how to figure it out using the patterns what you have seen? But anyhow, this must be known. Very important, this basic concept. That is also not so big, no. 1 cube means last digit only you are going to multiply. You don't want to say that 8 cube equal to 512, 9 cube equal to 729, like that. Not necessarily. Not necessary. You no need to multiply. But 9 nines are 81. Last digit is 1. And 1 and 9 again 9. Ends with 9. So like that you can guess and find the answers. Are you clear? Now 1323 is the number. You have to check whether is it a perfect cube or not. So what you have to do? Perfect square or not, to check what you did? You did prime factorization. So here also you do using prime factorization only. 1323. Okay. Now 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 3 9. Okay. Divisible by 3 table. Because it is not even number, that's why I am adding and checking for 3. Okay, 3 fours are 12, 1 remainder, and 3 fours are again 12 and 1, 441. This is 21, 21s are 441, I know. 21 means now we have to do what? Again 3. Okay, 3, 4, 8, 9, okay, 3. That means what is it? 3 ones are 3 and 4 and 7, 147. Okay, again with the 3 table it will be possible. 5, 12. That means 3 fours are 12. Again 2, 9. 9. Now it is divisible by 7 and 7. Okay. Remember, is it a perfect cube? No. For perfect cube means like squares, it should be 2 pairs. Remember, if there are 2 pairs, then it is a perfect square. Here there must be 3 pairs. So for finding the cube root, there must be written as cube. So 3 cube into 7 cube must be there. But here is only 1 7. So this question is, what number must be multiplied to this number to make a perfect square? So what is that number? Simply 7. 1 7 is missing. Are you clear? I took the smaller number. Even if we took larger also, the only thing based on the marks only. Remember this question can be asked in 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, anywhere, the same logic. Why? Based on the number. If you give this number, it will fetch you 2 marks. And if I give 5 digit number or 6 digit number, there will be more steps and more marks for that one. So the logic is quite simple. That is called what I am saying. Figure it out. And if you know the concept is same, you have to go very slowly. Okay, now what must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube? Here one number don't have a pair. That's why that's 7. You have to multiply it. Okay, likewise, if you want, no, I don't want, I will divide it. The question they may ask, in that only 1 7 will come extra. In that 1 7 should be divided, or 2 7. Yeah, you divided 2 7 also. Division, if they're asking, you divide it. Multiplication, if they're asking what has to be made, or sometimes only one number will be there, you have to multiply 2 7s, then it will become a perfect square. Are you clear with this logic? Very important concept. Our next question. Which of the following is the greatest? Explain with reasoning. They're asking only with reasoning. Don't need to multiply. See, if I say it's quite simple, you can guess it. Which one? 67 cube minus 66 cube. Only one number. 43 cube minus 42 cube. This is also one number, but the difference is this is larger number, this is smaller number. 67 square minus 66 square. 43 square minus 42 square. In this, among the 4, which is the least one? Now just for example, you take 3 cube. 3 cube minus 2 cube. Okay, answer 3 cube minus 2 cube, that is equal to 27 minus 8. 27 minus 8 is how much? 19. Okay, let it be. Then you take the next number 4 cube. Why? Because they have taken, but for instead of multiplying that much big number, what we know we will take 4 cube minus 3 cube equal to 64 is 4 cube minus 27, but that is nothing but 37. Here, which is the largest one? Among this one, the larger number pair is the largest. So here also it should be larger, must be 67 cube minus 66 cube. One more thing they're asking, 67 square minus 66 square. How? This you have to find. Here I took two smaller numbers. Better this itself. In this itself I'll take. So if I take 3 square minus 2 square, 3 square minus 2 square, it should come lesser than this or greater than this. We have to check. 3 square is 9 minus 4, that is 5. Hence, it is smaller than 3 cube minus 2 cube. Hence, 67 cube minus 66 cube must be larger than this one. That means this is smaller. Are you clear? We'll go to next question. Remember, the concepts are very important. You no need to multiply. This should take 1 minute or 2 minutes by practice. If you go for entrance examinations in the higher classes, this will help you a lot. That's why they give the topic as figure it out. Don't do it, don't work out, figure it out, just find out. Our fourth question is true or false. Always interesting one is true or false. Yeah. First one, odd cube is even. Odd number, 1 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, like that 121 cube, 343 cube, any number. So they are saying it may be even or always even. It is not, it is given, but even then I want to generally find out. Just very simple. You see here, odd numbers and all you check. 1, 1, 3, 7, 5, 5, odd, 7, 3, 9, 9. That's all over. So the 5 odd numbers here. Anyhow, it is going to be repeated. 21 cube will be 1, 23 cube will be 7 only. It is going to be repeated. Therefore, odd cube is even is false. It is false. Okay, that's all simple. So this one thing anyhow you have to know. If you write this in the side column, then you can answer for the cubic questions and all easily. Anyhow, you need to know, don't miss the mark. No cube ends with 8. No cube ends with 8. First itself it is there. What is that? So 2 cube, 12 cube, 22 cube, all. So this is also false. Over. Then cube of 2-digit number may be 3 digits. Okay, that means first smallest 2-digit number is 10. That is nothing but 10 cube equal to 1000. So what is that 1000? It is a 4-digit number. So no, it is not true. This is also false. 1000, what they say, it is not true. Hence, it is false. Okay, my dear children. Still 2 more sums like that is there. In this figure it says, you try to do yourself and write it in the comments. This video ends the playlist of class 8 CBSE Maths, a square and a cube, chapter number 1. If you liked it, please subscribe the channel and pass on this information to your friends so that they can understand very well. Remember, in this series of videos, 10 videos, only 3 videos given importance for 3 videos only comes as exercise. Remaining all gives the importance for concepts. The tagline itself, if you are good in concepts, marks will follow automatically. So make the concepts beautiful, then you can learn very easily. So wait for my next playlist. Until then, it's bye from your Pragasam Sir.